Hello everyone. So this is Dr4orex once again, and I'm bringing you a trade update, or you can call it a forecast update. So I called out to anticipate for a sell on this asset, that's VIX 25, and you can see that the sell has begun from this area. The sell has begun. If you pay attention to where I'm marking out, you can see that the sell has begun. But for me, it hasn't ticked my criteria for entry yet. I'm just waiting for the inducement high to form, and then I'll take the sell. So when I say an inducement high, if you look at this immediate trend, okay, if you look at this immediate trend that's happened, this sell trend from here, this area I'm marking out, right? If you look at this sell trend, you can see that first of all, it happened in a similar way. First of all, we have a candle, we have the sell starting, that's from this point to this point, right? You can see that the sell happened over there. Let me use a black color, and then so you can see that there was a sell that took place on that side. Then after the sell happened, you can see um, a little green candle to the top. Okay, so that green candle to your top is your inducement high. So basically waiting for something similar like that um to form. So first of all, the sell started this way. You can see the sell coming down here, then a little inducement to the top here. So you can see that after this major, or after this high was created, price started selling without even there was a sell to this side, then it came back up again to retest that level, and then continue the sell. Then you have another retest, then goes down like that. So basically we are expecting the same thing on this side. Okay, so for this current sell, this is what we are looking at. So currently we've seen the sell come down. We just want to see the inducement form created up. Then we can have our first sell to the downside. Then we expect some bit of retracement at this point. Then come up to test an area over here. Then tanks down again. Yeah. So basically that is what we are looking to see. So I'm hoping that by the close of today, this candle is going to close bullish rather, so that it's even a massive confirmation for the sell. So but as it stands now, even this candles formed, okay, this candle that has closed has to some extent more than like maybe 50%, more than 50%, it has already showed us what it wants to do, because we can see a massive break of structure to the downside. So basically that's what to look out for, and then you can take your sell. I want to just look at another pair, or share on another pair. I think VIX 100, um VIX 100, VIX 100 one is, yeah. So when you zoom out, okay, you can see that price was selling. Okay, price was selling. If you look at from this side, price has been selling. Okay, so to this point went up a bit, then came down. So price has been selling, right? It has been doing that for the longest period, right? But you realize that at some point price began to price began to come up. You can see some break of structures to the upside, indicating that the sell trend is being exhausted, or there's a trend change happening. So you see break of structures to the upside. Okay, you can see that structures are being broken to the upside. So this is an idea, or this is a signal that you want to the trend is about to change. So you should so you can see that there is a break of structure over here. I think this is too thick. Let me just so you can see a break of structure over here. Then there's another one over here, right? Then you can see another one too to the top, like this, right? So all this is telling you that price wants to be bullish or wants to go to the upside. So you just want to look for buy opportunities. And if you look at it, the price has a lot to do all the way to the upside. Okay, but at least we can say that it will go up to, at least without a shadow of doubts, it will go up to this side. But it can come even all the way to this side. Okay, so that is it. For VIX 100, you also want to look for a buy on it as well. And then let me see whether I can do jump 100, because jump 100 looks interesting as well. I think JD 100. Yeah. Okay, so it's not showing. So basically, these are what you want to look out for. I just wanted to quickly do jump 100. Yeah. So jump 100, the chart is also looking interesting. And so you can see that at the beginning of the year, price started on the low and then was bullish, went all the way up. Then later on, we see that price sold off all the way to the downside. Okay, price came all the way to the downside, right? Then price went up again, right? But this time that price went up again, price took out this high that was created previously, created a new high. Then after creating this new high over here, price finds itself in some form of a range, but there is a reason why it's doing that, filling in some fair value gaps and doing a few other things. So ultimately, what we expect is that I believe price is coming to test this level. Where's my tool again? I believe price is coming to test this area, because there is an order block here. Price is going to test this area. Okay, so I'm expecting price to come to that side. um, I'm expecting price to go up to this area and then bounce off and come down. Right, price might come to this side again. Okay, and then go up a bit and then fall down. Yeah, and then a major reaction that will take price up. Yeah, so that's the outlook for jump 102 as well. So if you want to take a trade on it, currently at the level that it is still bullish. So you can take a trade and targets. You can take a trade and for now and be targeting this high. So as it is here now, you want to target maybe this side, okay, these previous highs. But ultimately, we expect price to come and touch into this area and then give us a reaction to the downside. So basically, that's what you want to be looking at. And these are all volatility friendly pairs. They are not too volatile, so a little understanding of what you are about and you will have a good trade. So for now, that is what I have to share. Until another time, bye bye.